Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Isabella's Kitchen, and today we're going to be making soft pretzels. And first step of that, we've got some warm water. Oh yeah, so we've got 1.5 cups of warm water. Hold on a second, not the flour, put it down. So to the water we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Do you want to chuck that in there? Perfecto. What now? Add it a swirl. Next we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of dried active yeast. Perfect.
Mix it?
Yeah, do you want to get a bit of a stir? Okay, so you give it a bit of a stir, and then we're going to leave that for 5 minutes now. What that's going to do is it's going to allow the yeast to dissolve in the water, and then that'll be ready for the rest of our ingredients. So we'll see you in 5 minutes. It's a good 5 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes. The yeast has settled into the water, and we're now going to add it to 4.5 cups of plain flour. Pour it straight in. Yeah, perfect. There we go. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Which we've got here. You hold it over there. It's a heavy oil. Right over the bowl. That's 1. And 2.
What are we doing with this paper? Put it in.
You'll find out. Okay, so just give that a little bit of a stir. So we're just going to stir the water into the flour just a little bit before we start kneading it. Okay, so we've mixed some of the ingredients with the spoon, and we're going to start using our hands now to knead it. Make sure that you always wash your hands before you do this. Isabella, have you washed your hands? Good, okay. Now we're going to knead it all in until all of the flour is mixed into the mixture. It'll be really sticky when you start, but the more you knead it, the more you'll notice that it's not taking onto your hands. And that's how you want it to get. Oh yeah? Is it yucky? Keep on kneading it. Keep going, it'll come off your hands. Get some of that flour on there. Keep on mixing it, squish it and push it and squish it, fold it, push it and squish it, push it, squeeze it, push it, squeeze it, mix it, mix it. Okay guys, so we've kneaded the dough and it's looking absolutely perfect now. And we're going to put it into this bowl here. We're going to cover it in cling film and leave it in warm place for 1 hour. When we come back to it, it should be doubled in size and it'll be perfect to use. So, we're going to do that. We're going to find something to do for an hour. And then we'll come back to it. So we'll see you in 1 hour. Okay guys, it's been 1 hour. Our dough is looking perfect now. It's doubled in size. So we're going to turn it out. We've laid out some baking paper on here just to give us a nice non-stick surface. And we're going to turn it out. Do you want to do that? Yeah. Okay, so there's our dough. Looking very, very nice. Right now, and what we're going to do, we're going to use a pizza cutter and we're going to cut it into 8 even sections. Okay guys, so we've cut it into 8 even slices, but before we start rolling out the shapes, we've got to prep this next stage. So we've got 2/3 of a cup of baking soda, and we're going to put that into some hot water. I'm just going to give it a stir, just to mix all that baking soda into the water. What you're doing here, you're giving the dough a bit of a bath, basically. Yeah. So we're going to take each of these sections and we're going to roll them out and roll them until you get a nice long roll of dough, and then we're going to make the shape, and then we're going to put each piece into the hot water. Get an adult to do this because it is hot water that we're using. I mean, if you have some kind of utensil that you can use to lower it in there, that'll keep it in the right shape and then get it back out again. Anybody can do that, but if anybody's putting their hands into the water, make sure that it is an adult. It's not boiling hot, I can put my hands in there, but it is hot water, so I'd advise that an adult does this next step. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to roll it out, put it into the right shape, we're going to dip it into the water and just swirl it around in there, give it a little bath, and then we're going to put it onto a baking tray which we've lined with baking paper. Preheated our oven to 220 degrees Celsius. We're going to put them into there for around 8 to 10 minutes. What we're going to do after around 4 minutes, we're going to open the oven and we're going to turn the tray around just to make sure it gets a nice even bake. Then we're going to leave it in for another 4 minutes. Check on it. If it's not quite done, we'll leave it in for the next 2 minutes. Okay, should we get started on doing our shapes? Yeah. Okay guys, so here's the first piece that we're going to use. If you feel it's a little bit sticky still, that's all. A little bit more flour down, just a little dusting. Make sure it's not going to stick to your fingers. A little bit on there. Perfect. Well, what we're going to do, we're going to roll it. Yeah, you're going to be rolling it. So we've got a nice long roll.
It's so long.
Yeah, it's looking good.
It's long now.
That's looking really good. Okay, so to make the first pretzel shape, what we do is, if you move that pipe forward a little bit, move it up there. Yeah, move the middle bit down a bit, and then move that bit forward, so you've got a bit of a U shape, like a smiley face. Yeah. Okay, it's smiling at you, look. Okay, so what we're going to do is, if you bring that end and that end together, yeah, perfect, and again, perfect. And then pull it over on itself, so fold it over, yeah, perfect, yeah, and then just give that a little bit of a push, and a little bit of a push, yeah, and that is a pretzel shape. So I'm going to dunk it into the water here, and then I'm going to put it onto our baking tray, which is, okay, so that's absolutely perfect. So the next step, like I say, we're going to put it in a little bath. So be careful because the water is hot, and also because you're going to keep it a nice shape. So I'm going to dunk that in there. It is hot. Okay, we're going to take it out.
Can I do mine?
We're going to put it on the tray. We're going to do the next 7 of those, then we're going to pop them in the oven. So let's get cracking.
Done?
Is that done? Alright guys, so we've got all 8 of them done now. We're going to put these into the oven for around 8 to 10 minutes. We'll see you soon. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes. We've got 8 lovely pretzels and we're ready to do the final stage. Okay, so what we've melted around a stick of butter and we've got cinnamon sugar. So to make cinnamon sugar, you want 1 cup of granulated sugar for every 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. So just mix it together. You'll get a lovely cinnamon brown sugar. So what we're going to do, we've got a baking brush and we're going to brush the melted butter, try not to cough in the butter. And we'll put that, brush it all over the pretzels, and then we're going to dust the sugar on top. Okay guys, well we're really happy with these and we can't wait to tuck in. As always, thank you so much for watching another episode of Isabella's Kitchen. Make sure that you click subscribe and turn on your notifications. We've got episodes every Tuesday and Thursday, but we're hopefully very soon going to start putting a few more episodes out there. So make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when we've got a new one. And as always as well, make sure that you check us out on Instagram. It's isabella's.kitchen.adventures. If you send us your pictures, let us know your name, where you're from, and if you put any toppings on there or any kind of extra ingredients, let us know and there's a chance that you may get your picture shown in one of our future videos. Okay, so we're going to start eating these now, aren't we? Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!